Hi friends, welcome to Oracle Programming Channel. In the fourth lesson of Oracle for Beginners, I told you about one-to-one relationship. Today I am going to tell you about many-to-many relationship in the relational database. I have a table EMP where employee names are listed. I have another table skills where skills that an employee may possess are listed. Now here is a relationship between the two. An employee may have more than one skill. A skill may have more than one employee having it. So, it is one-to-many relationship from both sides. To make the relationship happen, first I add a column called EMP ID, a short for employee ID, in EMP table so that each employee can be identified by a unique EMP ID because more than one employee may have the same name. Then I create a junction table called EMP skills in which I make two columns called EMP ID and skill. EMP ID will be taken from EMP table and skill will be taken from skills table. So between EMP and EMP skills, I have one-to-many or master detail relationship using the column EMP ID, and between skill and EMP skills, I have one-to-many or master detail relationship using the column skill. This kind of relationship where both tables have one-to-many or master detail relationship with each other is called many-to-many relationship. If you are not familiar with one-to-many or master detail relationship, then please check the link in the description for that tutorial. Many-to-many relationship is displayed in this manner in a diagram. You give three legs on both sides as they are detail table to each other. To make the many-to-many relationship between EMP and skills functional, a junction table EMP skills is created. EMP has one-to-many relationship with EMP skills using the EMP ID column. Similarly, skills has one-to-many relationship with EMP skills using skill column. In the series of relationships in the relational database, I briefly explained to you three types of relations. If you have missed the previous ones, then please see them. Their links are in the description. In all the three types of relations, what is common is the table that initiates the relation has at least one column to uniquely identify each row of that table. It can be a set of columns also, but that should uniquely identify each row of that table. This is the minimum requirement to establish a relationship between tables in the relational database. That's all for this lesson. Please leave your comments in the comment section. Your comments are really valuable to me. I hope you like this video. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe. And please don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications of all my future tutorials. Thanks a lot for watching.